What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to add end screens to your video. So to do that, in the top right you will see your profile picture. Click on your YouTube icon or your account icon and scroll down. You will see YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio. In the left side you will see videos. Click on videos. And here you will see videos that you uploaded to your YouTube channel. So for example, you want to add end screen to your video. This is how you can add end screen to your video. Click on details. In the next screen you will see the title of your video, the description. What you need to do is scroll down and you will see end screen. Click on it. After that, click on this plus element, and here you can add the video, you can add playlist, you can add subscribe, you can add channel. What does this mean is you are going to promote another channel. When you click on channel, you are going to promote, for example, your friend's channel. What we are gonna do now is we are going to add video. Here you can select most recent upload, best for viewer, choose a specific video. If you want to add a random video, you can click on choose specific video. And here you can select the video that you want to add to your end screen. So for example, I will select this video. And you can adjust the size here. You can move the video, and if you want to add another video, or if you want to add subscribe button here, all you have to do is again click on element, and if you want to add subscribe button, click on subscribe, and you can move the subscribe button. So I will delete this element and I will add another video. Click again on element, and I will again click on choose specific video. I will choose this video, for example, and you can adjust, or you can adjust the size. Yes, you can adjust the size. I'm sorry guys if you don't understand me, because my English isn't that good. Anyway, so once you are done, all you have to do is click on save. And boom, that's how you can add end screens to your video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like.